Welcome back to the NASCAR Domino Cup Series. Part 2, after that huge storm we had. And engines are rumbling and hoping for their win. And green flag in the air. Kurt Busch gets the early lead. Chase Elliott gets loose by Ryan Blaney. Oh, crash. Ryan Blaney's in the wall hard. And there's their green. 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go. One final lap. Oh, Jimmy Johnson's going to give him a nudge. And there's a crash. They stay green. And Jimmy Johnson's going to win it. And Jimmy Johnson's going to win this race. What a historic finish. What a almost a clean race. Almost a clean race. And let's see what happened in the replay. There was no replay for that one. But he got on the wall hard. But they still continue green for now on. Here is your winner. Jimmy Johnson is your winner for the regular season finale. Here's your official results. Jimmy Johnson, Kyle Watson, Alex Bowman, Kurt Busch, and Eric Almirola the top 5. Brad Keselowski, Michael McDowell, Kevin Harvick, Chase Elliott, and Ricky Stenhouse Jr. the top 10. And lastly is Ryan Blaney. Your top 6 will be advanced to the playoffs. And next week, first day of playoffs, next week is Talladega, I think. Talladega. And we're going to see you soon. Like, comment, subscribe, comment, please. And have a nice good night. Have a good night.